Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. Well, not everybody saw rain today, but where we saw it, we saw some pretty efficient rainmakers. Here in Macon, a ½ inch of rainfall just today that we saw, which now puts us at a surplus of rain for the month of August. Also for the year, almost 2 inches of rain more than what we typically see. So we'll take that as we are heading into our fall months. You'll also notice, though, that it's been a pretty quiet evening after those showers kind of moved out around 6 or 7. So this is looking out on the 41 sky view overlooking downtown Dublin this evening. Our temperatures hanging out mainly in the 70s right now, sitting at 73 degrees. We've seen some partly to mostly cloudy skies, and that's really going to stick around through the rest of the evening. But humidity right now at 94%. We're expecting to see more in the way of some fog building in as we are heading into tomorrow morning. Our highs today topping out at 86 degrees. Not too bad for the middle of August when we should be getting to 92 degrees. That being said, we're going to see highs even lower than that through the rest of the week. So as we see more rain, we're going to continue to see these cooler high temperatures really throughout the rest of the week. 73 right now in Dublin, 72 down in Eastman, and seeing 74 over in Roberta. So just a very comfortable evening. It's still very humid, which we're going to be dealing with that through the weekend as well. We've got the 70s all across the southeast. So you take that larger look and where we were seeing the cloud cover for most of the day earlier, a lot of places didn't even get out of those middle 80s. So we continue to see this northwesterly flow that's going to bring us in more of those chances for showers as we are heading into tomorrow. We even got a little shower popping up in the Atlanta area right now that we're going to have to keep an eye on as we head into the rest of the evening. Nothing severe expected, though, as we're moving into tomorrow. So what we're going to kind of deal with through tomorrow, it's more of this northwesterly flow you can see. But as we're heading through the day, we start to see the stationary boundary to our south start to push a little bit further to the north. This is going to keep our rain chances going through the day. But as we're heading into Friday, what this is going to do, it's going to give us that little bit of a shift. So southwesterly winds are going to help to bring in more of that Gulf moisture on Friday, which means that when we see the rainfall, it's very likely that it's going to be some heavier rainfall. Potential for some thunderstorms will be out there as well as we're heading into our Friday afternoon and evening. So be ready for that. It will keep the temperatures cooler out there. We're also talking about more showers on the way for the weekend as well. For the rest of tonight, though, temperatures falling into those low 70s. We could start to see more showers into the early morning hours for tomorrow, but I really think the afternoon is where we're going to start to see that better chance for some widespread rain and thunderstorm coverage. Temperatures stay mainly in the low 80s for tomorrow as we're heading into Friday. More low 80s there. This is by 3:30. You can see that widespread rainfall coverage with heavy rain possible. Once again, thunderstorms there as well. For the weekend, it's more of the same. You're going to need the umbrella as you're heading out pretty much any day for this weekend. It won't be quite as warm, which is some good news, but into next week as well, we are talking about more in the way of that shower activity and just how much more rain we could see. Really kind of depends on where we see those individual storms, but I think most of us will pick up at least an additional inch of rainfall between now and Saturday. In just 10 seconds, I'll have a look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. We'll see low and mid 80s on the way for the end of the week. Showers and thunderstorms will be likely each day. We're going to keep that going into the weekend with a small uptick in our temperatures back to the upper 80s for Saturday and Sunday.
For weather updates on the go, download the 41 NBC AccuWeather app and follow 41 NBC on Facebook and Twitter.